broke my motherfucking light. Hello everybody, it's Z here and another video of randomness, and today we're dealing with this monstrosity. I know. I bleached them myself, so they came out looking like this. I kind of like it and I want to keep it this way. It's really weird, but I think that's a bad idea. So we're gonna try something new today. We're not gonna just do one color or two ombre type. We're gonna try something really different and I'm kind of scared, and let's just wait for my hair to get up. Yeah, I have this much dye. I have so we're gonna do all of this in my head. Hopefully it will work out. One of this is Splat, which is Turquoise Reef. This is Panic Color Hot Purple, Capri Blue, Violet, and Burgundy. Get the fur ball out of my mouth. And secondly, I'm gonna mix conditioner with these dye and try to make a color that is reasonably acceptable. And since my bleach is very has different tones in itself, so the dye is going to be very mixture of colors, that I know. And I don't know how the colors are gonna show out considering this brownish bleach that I have. It's showing up much lighter on camera. In reality, it's actually kind of dark. So I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. For once, I am kind of sort of prepared because I lost it already. Because today I have foil with me, because I'm not gonna dye my hair like one color, so I don't want the colors to get mixed up into one another, so I'll be needing foil. So pretty. Ow! Not anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna mix some dyes and then I'm gonna show you the result of the colors that I have on the menu for my hair. So if this actually turns out to work, then it'll be great. Otherwise, it's gonna be a disaster. So I'll just show you the colors that I have. I have this. This is the questionable patch. I don't know what this is. It's weird consistency. This was the Splat dye and it was much worse until I mixed in the Panic color. Then we have this, I don't know how to show it. Okay, this purplish color. It's not purple, it's like pink sort family. Then we have this light blue, and finally we have this hot purple. So let's begin. Because this is too much. Actually, I'm gonna finish up with the entire head and then I'll go back to you. I can't really move now. BRB! So this is what I look like. If I don't look partially crazy to you guys, then you guys are crazy yourself. So I don't know how to give you guys a 360. I hope the situation is fine. Back there, I really can't tell. So if this is going to be a disaster, so excited to re-dye my hair. But And that's for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and show some love and hit the subscribe button. I love you, beautiful humans, and bye. According to my mood ring, I am calm. I doubt it.